Hello children, I hope you all are fine. Today we come to the end of the chapter Excretory System. You must have finished learning the steps in urine formation. Urine excretion. Final urine passes into the collecting ducts, to the pelvis and through the ureter to the urinary bladder by ureteral peristalsis. Urine is expelled from the urinary bladder through the urethra. Remember micturition, the act of voiding urine under an impulse from the brain is called micturition. The steps in urine formation, ultrafiltration, tubular reabsorption and secretion involve a large amount of energy. Hence, the oxygen demand of the kidneys is 6 to 7 times greater than what is required by our muscles. Is it clear till here? Physical properties of urine. Color. It is yellow in color due to the presence of pigment urochrome. This is another very important question for your name the following. Volume 1 to 1.5 liters per day but varies sometimes. pH 5 to 8, usually acidic. Protein diet makes it more acidic and vegetable diet makes it alkaline. Odor, smell of urine. On standing, the smell of urine becomes strong, ammonia-like due to bacterial activity. Otherwise, it is having a faint smell. Constituents of urine. The normal human urine contains 95% water and 5% solid waste. Remember to learn organic and inorganic constituents of urine. Urea, creatinine, uric acid are organic in nature. Sodium chloride, potassium chloride and ammonia are inorganic. Abnormal constituents in urine. Sometimes, besides the normal constituents, the urine may pass out some abnormal substances. For example, blood cells termed as hematuria. This may be due to certain infection in the urinary tract or kidney stones or tumor. Glucose. Glucose is generally passed out in urine when a person is diabetic due to diabetes mellitus. Albumin. It is passed out due to high blood pressure or due to increased permeability of the Bowman's capsule. Bile pigments may be passed out during anemia, hepatitis or due to liver cirrhosis. Regulation of urine output. The concentration of urine is controlled by antidiuretic hormone, also called vasopressin, secreted by the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland. If ADH secretion is reduced, there would be an increased production of urine, which is called diuresis. This condition is termed diabetes insipidus due to insufficient ADH. More water is expelled in urine. Insipidus means tasteless urine. Here I would like to mention, children, diabetes insipidus and diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is due to deficiency of insulin, and diabetes insipidus is due to deficiency of ADH, anti-diuretic hormone. I will come to this point again when we do endocrine glands. Osmoregulation. The kidney also has another very important function, osmoregulation. It regulates the percentage of water and salts in our blood. Osmoregulation is defined as the regulation of osmotic pressure of the blood. Now we come to another very important give reason. We urinate less in summer than in winter, and the urine passed is generally thicker. Why? Because in summer we lose a large part of water through perspiration, and the kidneys reabsorb more water, making urine thick and more concentrated. Remember this as a very important question, children. Another condition, uremia. The accumulation of high quantities of urea in our body is called uremia. We come to the last part of our chapter, artificial kidney. Sometimes both the kidneys of a person are damaged. This may lead to death. But we have another option, artificial kidney dialysis machine. During dialysis, the patient's blood is led from radial artery in the arm through the machine where urea, excess salts are removed, and the purified blood is returned to the vein in the same arm. Dialysis is to be repeated for about 12 hours twice a week. With this, we end our chapter, children. I expect you now to learn this chapter thoroughly well. Be prepared for the test. I will send you questions of the test. Do it with honesty. All the best. Take care.